Hello, hi, and namaste to everyone. Myself, Aisharani Praharaj, a student of Presidency College. Today, my heart bubbles up with joy to speak about my college. I like my college because it exposes us to new experiences and things which we were not familiar with earlier. Here, we get into a world where we have all the freedoms to think, to communicate, and to speak with each other regarding the studies and the co curricular activities. The teachers here were very supportive and caring, supportive as if our parents and caring as if our friends. At last, I want to say you that I am very grateful to have a college of my choice because I am in the path of making a better version of myself and my career with my personality. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.